Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Vercel deployment. So first of all, come here on vercel.com, then simply log in into your account in order to get access to your dashboard. Now over here, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of projects. Now you need to simply double click on the project where your deployment is currently running. Now over here, simply click on the option of deployment in the sidebar, and here basically you are going to see your recent deployment along with their current status. So you need to simply find that particular deployment that is showing in building or still in progress, and you just have to click on it in order to open it on the deployment page. Now while the deployment that is showing you building or still in progress, you can click on it to open its deployment page, and it is then going to look something like this. Now while the deployment is running, you will see the cancel button on the deployment page, but since mine has already been completed, that's why it is not showing progress. Instead it is showing ready, but in the progress one you are going to see the cancel button. So you need to simply click on the option of cancel, and then Vercel will ask you for the confirmation, so you need to click on the option of cancel again for the confirmation, and the build will stop immediately and the deployment status will be changed to cancelled and it will be shown over here. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.